Uh, Yo, what's up? This is Zero to Zillions. Sorry about the technical difficulties. This is my first time going live. I'm trying to get everything situated for you guys. Let me make sure that this is working. Let's go over what we're looking at today. Let's go over what we're looking at. You want to always start with SPY. Start at the higher time frames instead of the lower time frames. We got SPY about to be oversold on the RSI. Got a big gap up right here. Remember that the Fed is going to announce if they're going to be cutting rates again today. I believe that happens at 2 o'clock, so be ready for that. It could send the market up or down depending on what they actually do. I'm gonna go ahead and plot my levels really quick. And remember, this isn't financial advice. I'm just letting you guys know what I'm doing, how I enter and exit my trades, and what I do to get prepared for the day. All right, I got SPY plotted. I'm gonna go ahead and go to QQQ. QQQ is going crazy right now. Let's go to the weekly. As you see, it's not as oversold as a SPY is. I think QQQ has still some room to run up. Big gap up on QQQ. It looks like it may break this structure, which is an ascending triangle. It's already come above it a little bit. We need a candle to confirm above this resistance line today, and that'll be a very bullish indicator. Go ahead and plot QQQ really quick. No. Sorry about that. That was my daughter. Let's see if I can make this a little bit smaller. Hold on. So that. Yesterday's highs for NVIDIA was at 146.50. I'm looking forward to at least break out from there before I get into any kind of trade. Again, this isn't financial advice. I'm just letting you guys know what I'm doing at the moment. You can see that there may be a little bit of resistance right here where these candles are consolidated now. Onto Palantir. Palantir is going crazy. huge green candle on the weekly time frame. Palantir is pretty oversold on the RSI. Another engulfing candle. I think there might be a little bit of a down move with Palantir today because, again, how oversold it is. But just because a stock is oversold doesn't mean that it has to go down. It can still make a move up. It was already oversold yesterday and the day before that, and it still moved up. Let's go to the 1 minute time frame. And basically, when I'm plotting these out, when the market opens at 9:30, I'll wait to see if it's going to break this range that it's been in pre-market before I actually get into a trade, unless it's just running up. And if it's running up, I try to just get in to get a few dollars and get out really quick. Go on to Tesla. Tesla's been going crazy as well. Always make a habit to start on the bigger time frames though, instead of on the smaller ones. I know I just started on the smaller one on that one though. But just to get a clear idea of what's going on. This is the highest that Tesla has been all year as well. I think there still might be some room to run up. Put the link in Discord. How do you do? Vistra. Excuse me 1 second. Yo, what's up, bro? What's up with it? Hi. I'm on this live right now. I said I'm on this live right now. Yeah. Alright. Nah, I'm on YouTube. Just me. Yeah. Alright. Oh, I'm just plotting out these levels that I'm looking out for today. Hi. Alright. Come on, man. Might as well. Alright. Yep. Alright. Hey, 1 second, man. Uh, Um, I'm also looking at Vistra because they reported earnings today. I believe that they beat earnings. Yeah, they beat earnings today, as you can see right here. All right, bro. Hey, you trying to go golfing still? Yeah, all right. I got you. All right, bro. So the main ones that I'm watching the trade today are SPY, QQQ, NVIDIA, Palantir, Tesla. Oh, Tesla breaking out right now, as well as this Vistra. And if you guys aren't familiar with Vistra, it's like an electricity company. But I think that they may break out a little bit today because they're beating earnings. In pre-market though, it has already made a substantial move, so I don't know how much of a move it's gonna make during trading hours. Oh, also MSTR with Bitcoin going crazy with Donald Trump in the office, I'm gonna watch this stock daily. This is how I play into Bitcoin without actually putting money on Bitcoin because MSTR, their CEO, is really heavy into Bitcoin and he actually buys Bitcoin and puts it on their balance sheet. So when Bitcoin makes a rise or a big move, this stock tends to move in correlation with it. It's a little bit oversold on the RSI as well. Big engulfing candle. One second, guys. Sorry about that, guys. The market's about to open in 2 minutes. Let's get it. Oh, excuse me. Yo. Yo. Yeah. Right. I don't know why they can't comment on it, bro. I open it up. Oh, the market just opened. SPY's up to 593. I got a long position in SPY right now. % on it. I got 3 contracts. I'm gonna sell 2 of them. right now and take profit for $120. Remember that the Fed is speaking at 2 o'clock today, and that's going to affect the market, especially if he cuts rates. Nvidia is breaking out up to 146. I might take a position in Nvidia. Also, I'm watching this Vistra. I'm finna get into this Vistra. It's breaking out of the range. I gotta figure out how I can show y'all how I'm getting in these plays over here on my iPad. This is the first day, so I'm sorry that I don't know how to do it right now. Yeah, I'm in this Vistra. I got a contract that expires November 15th. Vistra's pulling back. I might look for a put right here. Vistra is pulling back. Nvidia is breaking out. I'm not gonna check right now though. Tesla's looking good right now. What happened? Yeah. SPY is taking off. QQQ just broke 510. Yeah. All right. Oh, Tesla breaking out. I'm on TradingView right now, looking at the charts. Palantir broke out too. I haven't gotten into no new positions. I already got some positions that I was already in previously. I think I'm gonna take profits on this Palantir. I'm up 280% for $235. Tesla turn to the downside. It bounced off the 21 EMA. It might keep going down. Come on, can you not do this? I can't do this shit, motherfucking. I'm still looking at Tesla. I'm waiting for Tesla and Nvidia. Nvidia is pulling back a little bit right now, though. Yeah, I'm looking at hopping in on Nvidia on a put if it keeps on pulling back. I'm just waiting for a clear direction in the market. To enter on the RSI, so I don't know if it's going to break out from right here, if it's going to keep going down. But these blue lines and the yellow lines are the EMAs. So if it breaks the EMA, then I'm going to look for it to go down more. Right now, Tesla's breaking the 21 EMA, heading down. And that's when I look to get into a put. But I just we have to have a candle that close underneath the EMA. That's why I'm just still waiting. For the downside, it will be a red candle to close underneath the EMA. And then seeing a continued move to the downside. But on the video, it hasn't, like, it's Like right at 9:30, you seen how Nvidia, the first candle right here bounced off of the EMA and then it went up. That's a clear move. But I didn't take that because it was the first few minutes of the market opening. Remember, you gotta be patient or you're gonna keep losing money. Getting in and out, in and out, in and out. I lost, and those green dotted lines keep on going up, or it's gonna come back into this green channel that I got right here. And that's why I'm looking for the put on the video. But it looks like it's keep on going higher right now. But it's not making a clean break. Pivot points, it's the previous day's close or where they or support from the previous days candles. Nvidia I'm looking at and Tesla because they are the most volume. And with the most volume, like if you get into a low stock with low volume, it's hard to depict on which way it's gonna go because it's usually big institutions trading the lower volume stocks. But a high volume like Nvidia or Tesla, it's a lot of retail traders, which is what I am, that are in these trades. So when they break out, like how they broke out yesterday, there's a lot of big moves. So I don't know if there's gonna be a lot of moves today because, like I said, the Fed's reporting at 2 o'clock, so it might be, which is right, staying in a range. And if you get into a trade right now and it's hitting in a range, you can lose money because it's not going up or down enough for you to make money. Like Nvidia hasn't broken out of this range right here. Neither has Tesla, Palantir either. I'm on TradingView. TradingView. You can get a subscription for free, or you can get a paid subscription. I got a paid subscription so I can see multiple time frames and multiple charts at one time. But you can get a subscription for free. You'll just be able to see one chart at a time. Also, you can use Robinhood Legend, and that'll let you use the charts too. You can see the charts. I can't show my iPad right now. I haven't figured out how to do that. But once I'm able to show my iPad, you'll get a better understanding of it. I'm gonna try to figure that out today once I get off the live. Resistance level. How can I explain that? The resistance and the support. You can think of resistance as a ceiling. If a stock is coming up to resistance, you can really diagnose that it, like if you're throwing a ball up to the ceiling, it's gonna bounce down. If you're throwing a ball to the ground, that's the support, it's gonna bounce up. So you shouldn't be buying a call at the resistance thinking that it's gonna go higher unless there's a clear indication that it's gonna do that, like a news or something going on to give it that push. Like Donald Trump getting elected yesterday pushed the stocks up, but there wasn't no resistance on a lot of stocks. They were just breaking out of ranges. But today, all that news has been digested into the market. So I don't know if there's gonna be a bigger breakout until later on when the Fed starts speaking. That's why I'm just still being patient, waiting. Getting in and out of trades is a good way to blow up your account and lose all your money. Just picking random ones and getting in and out, in and out, in and out. Like that one trade that I made earlier on that Vistra, I lost. And if when I lose my first trade of the day, then I sit back and I'm more patient. I'm not gonna keep on taking unnecessary risk in and out, in and out, in and out until I get a better, clear move. Call is betting that the stock is going up with a call. A put is betting that the stock is going to go down. And those are options. You can buy a stock regular with shares and you can hold on to it. There's no expiration date, but on the call and the put, there's an expiration date. And you will have to pick when you want your contract to expire when you're buying the call and the put. Some calls go out for a day, some calls go out for 2 years, some calls or puts go out for a week. It just depends on what you pick and what you buy. Right, it just ain't nothing going right now. Oh, all the ticker symbols I'm watching. When I'm day trading, I only day trade specific stocks, but I swing all these stocks that are over here to the right. I can't explain every single one, but these first few right here, like Apple, AAPL, Tesla, Meta, Palantir's right here, PLTR, NVIDIA. MSTR is the MicroStrategy. GOOG is Google. SoFi. SPUX is Starbucks. WMT is Walmart. What else would y'all know? NKE is Nike. DKS is Dick's Sporting Goods. PEP is Pepsi. NFLX is Netflix. Those, and like I said, a put is betting that the stock is gonna go down. Nvidia is up to 148. SPY is breaking out. And when I'm getting into a call or a put, my expiration is at least a week out. I don't never do 1 day expirations. It's easier to lose money like that. Tesla's breaking out from the pre-market. It's trying to break out of this. It keeps hitting on the 290. Oh, it broke out. I mean that it's breaking out of the resistance. So it's a good chance that it's going to come up, but then make a pullback. That's why I'm trying to get in this put right now on the video, because it breaks out and it'll make a retracement and pull back to that green line, which is the pre-market highs or the lows. It's not 100% that it's going to do that, but this is just my trading strategy that I use to enter next to these trades. Tesla breaking out 291. I wouldn't get in the stock right when it's breaking out unless, like I said, I'm looking for the put. Like right now, how Tesla came back down after it broke out. I could have made money on the put. I'm doing a lot of explaining. It's hard for me to get in and out while I'm explaining this stuff too. Alright. I'm trying. I'm gonna get better. I'm gonna get better at explaining to y'all how to enter and exit these trades. Like I said, this is my first day. I'm just trying to get a gist of how to even work this live and stuff. If I would have gotten that put though, I could have made a little bit of money on the video. It's just retracing right now. But you don't have to just buy calls or puts. Like I said, you can get shares. You can buy a company straight up with shares and own it, and there's no expiration date on it. I have I got 100 shares in Nvidia. I only got 1 share of Tesla, 1 share of Meta, 35 shares of Palantir, 5 shares of Apple, 4 shares of the MicroStrategy, 2 shares of Starbucks, 2 shares of Amazon, 1 share of Walmart, 1 share of a restaurant called Kava. Palantir is pulling back a lot. And like I said before, I'm not chasing a lot of these stocks because I'm already in positions on a lot of these stocks. What? No. Damn, I can't even do anything, bro. I'm gonna go ahead and have to stop the live right now. I'm gonna try to get back on later when the FNC meeting happens with the Fed. Thank y'all for tuning in. I don't even know how to stop.